Hello! In this video I will show you how I made these small LED indicator strips. The strip consists of a piece of stripboard, the LEDs and a shared 1K resistor. I find these strips quite useful in my Arduino and ESP projects. To make these LED strips I first needed some small pieces of stripboard. For 8 LEDs a 2x9 hole strip is needed. When just using pliers, it is easy to break the board at the wrong place. It is better to use a metal ruler and knife to first cut the board multiple times. Be careful to make enough cuts. When the cut is deep enough, the board should snap at the right place. To clean up the board, you can use pliers and then use a file to make it smooth. On one side of the strip I soldered these header pins. For the other side I used copper tape, which I first cut in half to get the proper width. Unfortunately the copper tape I used didn't have conductive glue, so I needed to make sure it was soldered well. Then I soldered the 1K resistor. Before soldering the LEDs, I first tested them using my multimeter. To make soldering easy, I first put plenty of solder on the pins, then I heated the pin and used tweezers to place the LEDs. I placed each LED in the right direction with the plus side on the individual pin and the minus side on the common ground. After that, I soldered the other side. Using the multimeter, I then tested the LEDs once more. Be careful with the soldering iron. Too much heat can destroy the LED. If you need to replace a defective LED, it is easiest to cut the LED off using these sharp snips. Then clean the area prior to soldering a new LED. Soldering such small components may require some practice, but I find the 0805 size quite doable. As shown in the intro, these strips are quite handy to test the output of a device. Here you can see two of these strips used to show the output of a 16-bit I/O expander connected to an ESP-01. Just make sure to connect the pin with the resistor to ground. Also note that when connecting an LED to an input pin, it will usually light up dimly and it will pull the input pin down to ground. I hope you liked this video. If you do, you can subscribe to be notified of future videos. Bye!